welcome to my channel. Hello children, hello little adventurers. Welcome to our colorful corner of YouTube. Come and learn with me, your teacher, Ali. Our topic for today is reading. Okay kids, let's start. Apple. This is an apple. It is a healthy fruit. It is usually red in color, but also available in green. Apple is a very common fruit that is available in every corner. It is true that an apple a day keeps the doctor away, because apple keeps us away from sickness. Carrot. This is a carrot. Carrot is a healthy vegetable. It grows under the ground. The color of the carrot is orange. It is conical in shape. Carrot is a sweet and crunchy vegetable. It can be eaten raw and cooked. Carrots contain a lot of iron and vitamins. Rainbow. Rainbows are formed after the rain. The rainbow consists of 7 colors. The colors together form a thick one, which makes it beautiful. The 7 colors of the rainbow are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. The rainbow is a lovable scenery that is colorful and pleasant to eyes. Strawberry. This is a strawberry. It is a small fruit that grows on a small plant. Strawberries are bright red in color and in conical shape. It says a mix of sweet and sour. It is a good source of vitamin C. It is used to make jam, ice cream, cake, and jelly. Banana. This is the fruit named banana. There are different varieties of bananas in the world. This fruit is usually yellow in color, but raw banana is green. People use raw bananas in cooking. Banana leaves are also used in cooking and serving. Car. A car is a road vehicle. It has 4 wheels and needs fuel to run. The fuel can be petrol, diesel, or gas. Cars usually have 5 seats. There are 7-seater cars too. Cars make our journey fast and comfortable. Many thanks, children. That would be all our topic for today's video. You're doing a great job. Thank you for watching. Until our next chapter together, keep turning those pages and let your imagination soar. Don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button. And join us on our next reading adventure. Children, always remember that reading is not just an escape. It is a journey to an endless possibilities. Goodbye!